All are doing good. Today we are going to continue with our number system topic in 5 minutes, part 2. As we have already discussed the basics N, W and Z, which means natural numbers, whole numbers and integers, we are going to move to the next part. Natural numbers we have already discussed that they are counting numbers. Whole numbers is simply adding 0 to natural numbers. And in integers we are just adding the negative numbers along with the whole numbers. Advanced sets Q and P. Here Q refers to the rational numbers. Fractions and decimals would be coming under this. This we are going to discuss today. Rational numbers are numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Here we can furtherly divide them into terminating decimals, repeating decimals, and all the type of integers would be including in this. And the form would be P by Q fractional form, where Q is not equal to 0. And irrational numbers are simply the opposite of rational numbers. We cannot write any number in the form of P by Q where Q is not equal to 0. They would be a non-terminating, non-repeating numbers. For example, pi, root 2, root 3 are some of the main examples. Moving on, even and odd numbers. Even numbers are numbers which are divisible by 2 exactly. Ending digits would be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and general form of even numbers would be 2n. Examples are 2, 44, 108, 0, etc. And similarly for odd numbers, they are not divisible by 2. They are of the form 2n plus 1. They are divisible by 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And some examples are 1, 15, 99, 1000 and 1. The next category of numbers are prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are numbers those have two exact factors. One is the 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, all these numbers have only two factors. One would be the number and the other number would be 1. Composite numbers are numbers which have more than two factors. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are some examples of composite numbers. And here a notable tip would be the number 2 is the only even prime number. And that's a special case that 1 is a unique case which is not a prime number, neither a composite number. And also another tip, 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. The last but not the least comes the real numbers. These are numbers which are possible numbers which can be expressed on a number line. It is the union of rational as well as irrational set of numbers. I hope you have all mastered it. Go crush your exam and join our community for more CTET exam related updates, study tips and complete masterclasses. Follow my Instagram ID and YouTube channel link. Let's crack CTET together. Thank you one and all.